In today's video, I am going to teach you how to switch between tabs in Google Chrome by keyboard shortcut key. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now look at the tabs across the top of Chrome. The first tab on the far left is considered tab number 1. The tab next to it is tab number 2. The next one is tab number 3, and this continues across the row. Chrome lets you jump directly to tabs 1 through 8 using the number keys on your keyboard. If you are using Windows, Linux, or a Chromebook, hold down the Ctrl key, then press a number from 1 through 8. For example, pressing Ctrl and 1 will take you to the first tab. Pressing Ctrl and 2 will take you to the second tab. Pressing Ctrl and 3 will take you to the third tab. And so on, all the way through Ctrl and 8 for the 8th tab. If you are using a Mac, the shortcut is slightly different. Instead of using the Ctrl key, hold down the Command key. Then press a number from 1 through 8. So Command and 1 takes you to the first tab. Command and 2 takes you to the second tab. Command and 3 takes you to the third tab. This works the same way up to Command and 8 for the 8th tab. Also remember that this specific shortcut is for jumping to tabs 1 through 8. If you have more than 8 tabs open, the shortcut still directly supports only those first 8 positions using the number keys 1 through 8. Once you get used to this, switching tabs in Google Chrome becomes much faster and smoother. That covers everything you need to know.